If you want your ads to look more professional and boost brand recognition, adding your company logo is a simple, high-impact move. In this short guide, I'll take you through the exact steps to upload your logo so it displays with your Google Ads assets. Let's get right to it. Open your browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. Click Sign In and log in with the Google account tied to your business. Make sure you're using the account that manages your campaigns so you can access your assets and settings. Once you're on the Google Ads dashboard, head to the Campaigns tab. This is where you manage the campaigns that will use your creative assets. From here, find and click the Assets tab. Assets are where Google stores images, logos, videos, and other components used across your ads. Inside Assets, look for Business Logo or Logos. Click that option and choose Upload. Select your logo file from your computer or device. For best results, use a high-resolution PNG or JPEG with a transparent background if possible. Make sure the image follows Google's image guidelines. Clear, legible at small sizes, and without extra padding or text overlays that might be cropped. After upload, review the preview to confirm how the logo appears in different formats. Google may show several rendering previews so you can see how the logo looks across placements. If it looks too small or is getting cropped, prepare a new image with better dimensions and re-upload it. A clean, centered logo with adequate contrast works best. Next, assign the logo to the asset group or campaigns where you want it to appear. In many campaign types, assets are grouped by asset groups or ad groups. Attach the logo to the relevant group so Google can use it when generating ad combinations. If you run Performance Max or responsive display assets, make sure the logo is included in the asset group so it can show across channels. Save your changes. Once your logo is approved, Google will begin using it in eligible ad placements. Keep in mind that not every ad format will display a logo. Google chooses placements dynamically, but adding the logo increases the chance your brand appears alongside headlines and creative. A few quick tips for better results. Use a square and a landscape version if you can. Keep the logo simple and high contrast, and follow Google's recommended file sizes and aspect ratios. Also, monitor your ad previews and asset reports to confirm the logo is serving correctly and to see where it appears most. And that's it. Adding your company logo to Google Ads helps build recognition and trust, and it's an easy way to make your ads look more professional. If you want, I can also provide the recommended image dimensions and a checklist for preparing logos that always pass Google's requirements. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your ads and your branding.